Gak bisa tepuk tangan.
Hello everyone, I'm Audri. I'm 10 years old. Well, today I would like to share an interesting story about the little fish who wanted to fly. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's get started. Once upon a time, in the vast ocean, there lived a small curious fish named Bubbles. Unlike her friends who loved swimming deep in the ocean, she dreamed of soaring through the sky. She often looked up at seagulls and wondered how they could fly. Bubbles said, "Hey, you know what? You're so awesome!" Seagull said, "Hey dear, thank you for your compliment. So you are." "No, I'm not. I don't have fins like you." "You're amazing too with your beautiful fins. Trust me," said Seagulls. One day, Bubbles decided she would try to fly too. She jumped out of the water and flapped her fins as hard as she could. But of course, she just fell back into the ocean with a splash. Her friends laughed at her. But Bubbles didn't give up. She kept trying every day. Until one day, Bubbles called her mom. Bubbles said, "I just wanna fly, Mom. I'm so delighted if I could fly. But why I can't?" Her mom said, "Bubbles, we are fish. We aren't birds like seagulls. You need to respect yourself to make you happy. Look, we have fins to swim. Keep swimming and you'll find out how beautiful they are." "Wow, really? That's so amazing, Mom. I'll try it." She realized that fish meant to swim, not to fly. So everyone, the moral is, we don't need to seek happiness.